Before we begin, it is important to state that the content of this video is for informational and educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Investing in exchange-traded funds involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always perform your own due diligence or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Imagine owning the most innovative companies in the world, the giants of the Nasdaq 100, while simultaneously collecting a massive monthly paycheck. For years, investors had to choose between the high growth of tech stocks or the steady income of dividend stocks. But a new player has entered the field, aiming to bridge that gap. Today, we are diving deep into the NEOS Nasdaq 100 High Income ETF, better known by its ticker QQQI. In this video, we'll break down exactly how this fund works, why it's generating yields that make traditional savings accounts look like pocket change, and the secret tax advantages that most investors overlook. But before we get into the mechanics of the Nasdaq 100 and the option strategy behind QQQI, do me a quick favor. If you find this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more deep dives into the world of smart investing. Now let's get started. To understand QQQI, we first have to look at its foundation, the Nasdaq 100. This index is the home of the Magnificent Seven, companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. These are the engines of global innovation. While these companies are incredible at growing their share price, they aren't exactly known for high dividends. In fact, many of them pay no dividend at all. This is where QQQI steps in. Managed by NEOS Investments, QQQI is an actively managed ETF designed to take that tech-heavy growth and transform it into high monthly income. As of early 2026, the fund has exploded in popularity, managing billions of dollars in assets because it offers a trailing 12-month distribution yield, often hovering around 14%. So how do they do it? The secret sauce is a strategy called covered calls, but with a modern twist. Most traditional income ETFs, like QYLD, use a passive strategy where they sell call options on 100% of their holdings every single month. This generates a lot of cash, but it completely caps the upside. If the Nasdaq goes to the moon, a passive fund stays on the launchpad because they sold away their growth potential. QQQI is different. It is actively managed. The portfolio managers don't just blindly sell options. They use a data-driven approach to write out-of-the-money call spreads. This is a crucial distinction. By using spreads, the fund can participate in more of the Nasdaq's upward movement, while still collecting significant premiums from the options they sell. They are essentially putting the high volatility of tech stocks to work for you. When tech stocks swing wildly, those option premiums get more expensive, which means more potential income for the shareholders. But the benefits don't stop at the yield. One of the biggest hidden features of QQQI is its tax efficiency. For many investors, high-yield income is a nightmare come tax season because it's often taxed at high ordinary income rates. QQQI uses Section 1256 contracts. In simple terms, this means that a large portion of the gains from their option strategy can be taxed at a favorable 60-40 split, 60% at lower long-term capital gains rates and 40% at short-term rates, regardless of how long the fund held the contract. Furthermore, the managers actively engage in tax loss harvesting. This often allows them to classify a portion of your monthly payment as return of capital. This isn't taxed in the year you receive it. Instead, it lowers your cost basis, effectively deferring your taxes until you sell your shares. For a high-income investor, this can be a game changer. Of course, no investment is perfect. QQQI has an expense ratio of 0.68%. While that's higher than a standard index fund, You are paying for an active management team that is constantly adjusting the options overlay to balance income and growth. You also have to remember that this is still an equity fund. If the tech sector takes a major hit, QQQI will go down with it, though the income from the options may provide a small cushion during those drawdowns. In short, QQQI is designed for the investor who wants the best of both worlds: exposure to the world's leading innovators and a consistent, high-yield monthly check. It's a sophisticated tool that uses the volatility of the Nasdaq to fuel a tax-efficient income machine. Whether you're looking to fund your retirement, build a passive income stream, or simply complement your existing growth holdings, QQQI offers a unique strategy that stands out in the crowded ETF market. It's no wonder it was recently recognized as one of the best new active ETFs in the industry. If you enjoyed this deep dive into QQQI, make sure to check out our other videos on high-yield investing and portfolio strategy. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know, are you an income seeker or a growth chaser? Or, like QQQI, are you trying to be both? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.